Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In the previous video we have seen that how we can install Cornerstone theme in our local system. So in the previous video we have done that part. We have successfully installed that Cornerstone theme in our local system for the customization part. So the general question which comes in every mind when doing the theme development is that how we can create our own theme. So this video is basically dedicated to this purpose. So in this video I will give you a general idea how we can set up or how we can create our own theme. This video is related to the initialization part of this topic. So what we'll do, we will just initiate our theme. I will show you a basic home page. No, I will not design the basic home page right now. I will just show you how we can display the content. So yeah, let's begin. I'm here on my store, so I will go to a directory in my local system, like I'm in var www.html, and in videos folder I am in stencil folder. So if I ls here, there is nothing here. So in the previous video I have told you some commands to initiate the stencil theme, like stencil init, and then we ran a command like stencil start to run our local environment server of stencil. So we are going to use that. If you haven't watched the previous video, I recommend you to please check out the previous video so that you will not be confused in this video. So let's start. What we'll do, we will simply initiate our theme. So I will do stencil start. Okay, sorry. I will do stencil init for initialization, stencil init. So it is asking what is the URL of your store's homepage. So in the previous video I have already told you that the URL of our homepage is this. So we have provided this URL, and it is asking about the access token. In the previous video, if we go to secret config stencil.json, we will see that there is an access token here, so we can copy it. Apart from this, when we have done the app authentication process also, so we have also generated this access token there, so we can copy that access token from there also. Other than that, in the previous video this file was generated, secrets.stencil.json. you can find that, and in this file just copy this access token from here and then paste it here. So it is asking what port I would like to run my server on. So I think 3000 port is kind of busy, so I will say that 3002 will be fine. So it is saying that you are now ready to go to start developing, run stencil start. So when I will run stencil start, I will see an error which I will show you right now, stencil start, and it will say that I do not have set up the config.json file. So what I need to do, I need to first set up the config.json file. So I will open this directory in VS Code by code dot. So I have opened it with code dot, and by maximizing it I will close this welcome screen, and what I'll do, I will create a file here which is config.json, and when I create this file config.json, okay, there is a mistake. I just provided a comma instead of full stop. So config.json file, what we'll do in this file, we will provide the basic description of our theme in this. So I have already done it. So I will show you. When I open the config.json file, this description I will copy it and paste it here. So theme name is Cornerstone, or whatever name you will like. Provide any version, and then provide any template engine. For this we have handlebars version 4, and just keep in mind that it is necessary to provide at least one variation apart. If you do not provide any one variation, then in future we will see an error that we need to at least define one variation for our current theme. So I have provided a variation that is name light and its ID will be light. Keep in mind that you can modify this name, you can modify this version, and you can modify these variations. So yeah, apart from it, just come over here and create a directory for the language purpose, lang, and apart from it, create one more directory which is templates, and inside templates create one more directory that is pages, and inside pages we should have a default page which is home.html. home.html. In the home.html part, we will create a simple HTML doc. And how I created it, I just pressed exclamation mark and then tab. So it is done, and I am providing a heading here. And in this heading I will say this is the home page. Okay, so I have provided it like that. So I think I am done by initiating the first page of my theme. I have initiated a theme and created very first page, that is home.html of my theme. So I will go to the terminal here, and I will provide stencil start, and after providing it, it will run my theme on local environment. So it has run on local host 3004. Control over here and click it, and you will be directed to your theme. This is the home page. So this is all about this video. I have taught you how you can initiate your theme, and other than that, we are in further videos we are going to create our own theme. So stay tuned with me. Thanks for watching this video.